One man practicing sportsmanship is better than 1,000 teaching it. That's a quote from a world-renowned football coach. His name was Knut Rockne. Here in South Africa we call it Ubuntu, which translates to I am because we are. And that emphasizes humanity, community, and interconnectedness. I can think of a few good practices we have here in South Africa, which brings this all together. In this narrative, however, it's about the spirit of adventure. The Wild Outdoor Adventure Show, to be specific, where the host aims to provide you with the opportunity to showcase your adventure lifestyle products. This outdoor show promises a chance to experience the exciting demos, various products, and the opportunity to network and take your brand to the next level. The Wild Outdoor Adventure Show is coming to the CTICC between the 4th and the 7th of December. And this is a chance to be part of the action. So don't forget to apply by the end of October for a 30% discount. Be there or be square.